Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are reviewing Selfie Skin Hair Removal. So let's get in and let's get into the review. Alright guys, welcome back. So first of all, I've got to say thank you to Selfie Skin. They sent me this product for review on my blog, but I definitely wanted to share this review with you all so you guys can check it out also. Basically what this is, I'm going to show you the box. This is a hair removal handset system. So one of the things, I don't know about you guys, but one of the things I've been doing ever since all of this occurred, since we've all been home, is I've been doing more things that I can do myself, more DIYs for like my hair, skin, things like that. So this is gonna fit right at home. You guys, if you follow my channel or my blog, you guys know I love face masks. So I usually do like a whole spa day on Sundays where I wash my hair, shave my legs and all that stuff, and just have a full day of spa where everyone just leave me alone, put some music on, and just totally relax. So this is like super cool that this was sent to me so that I can review it, because if you don't know me, I will definitely give you my honest review. Even though this was sent to me, I have to give you my honest review. So I got this about 2 weeks ago, so as you can see, I definitely took my time before I came on video to give you guys what I thought. But I wanted to share with you guys, just in case if you're kind of looking for something that you can do at home and have that spa day, this is going to be perfect for you guys. So this is what the box looks like, and on the back there's some information, but that's basically what it looks like there. But I wanted to unbox this so that you guys can have an idea also. So let me see. So it has a booklet, as you can see there, and it gives you the instructions, and we're going to talk about that in a second. And the hair removal product is here, and then as you can see there, that's the plug, so you can plug it in and have it charged up, ready to go for you guys. All right, so this is what the hair product, hair removal, not hair product, this is what it looks like there. And you actually, this is what you're gonna point to, the area of your body where you want to remove hair, and this is the power button, and this is what you would press if you wanted to start the process. But the cool thing about this one is it's actually, you can set it where it's automatic. And I did record a video so that you guys can see how it is live, so you can get, you know, an idea of how it works. It was super simple. It's funny because sometimes when you look at instructions, you're like, oh my gosh, it's a big booklet, but it wasn't that difficult once you get it going. So I had it set, as you'll see in the video in a minute, I had it set to automatic, and I didn't even have to press any buttons. You don't have to do automatic, but I just wanted to test that out to see. Now, the way that it works, I'm just gonna make sure I have it here. The way that it works is week 0, you're gonna have that hair growth, and this, so you guys can have an idea of what I'm looking at. So from week 1 to 4, your hair should start gradually not coming back, and from week 5 to 1, it looks less and less, and eventually from week 12 and on, as you continue the process, your hair should not grow back at all. So I don't know about you guys, but when the winter comes, usually that's when I stop shaving because I'm super lazy. But if this can stop that growth before the winter time, I'm all for it. Okay, so before you use this product, you do have to shave your legs. So I shaved my legs the night before I used it, and then use it on the next day. So what it says is for week 0, your first treatment, like I said, you do shave your legs. And it says it can take 1 to 2 weeks for the hair you zap to fall out. And in the first couple weeks, following the initial treatments, you'll see some hair growth still growing. These are likely to be hairs that were not in the growing phase during the first couple of treatments. And then it says week 1 to 4, after 3 to 4 sessions, because you're going to use this weekly. Sorry, I should have said that. So after 3 to 4 sessions, so from week 1 to 4, you'll start to see a noticeable reduction in hair growth and some thinning of hairs growing back. However, you will still have some hair growth. This is to be expected to be effective. treat all hairs. It is important to keep up the recommended treatment schedule. And then from week 5 to 11, it says you're almost there. You should see an even more significant reduction in hair growth and further reduction of hair density and thickness. It says top tip, exfoliating twice a week between treatments with glycolic chemical exfoliant will speed up the process by gently removing dead skin cells, healing ingrown hairs, and preparing the area for more effective treatment. And then week 12 and on, your weekly sessions are done. Congratulations. In order to remain hair-free, we recommend monthly touch-up sessions, as you always have new growth follicles that can stay on top. So think about it. After 3 months, you're just gonna have to do this every so often. So I'm all for it. Let me see if there's anything else. It just, like I said, it just says prior to use, you wanna shave your legs. And that's what I did. Okay, well, that is it. So I'm gonna take a pause here so that you guys can see how it works for me. So let's take a pause so that you guys can see how this worked. Okay, so I wanna show you guys exactly how it looks when you're starting off. So I have it on auto pulse so that it automatically pulses every 3 seconds. So this is how it looks, which is pretty cool. So this is the first time that I'm using it. And we're not directly looking at the light, so I'm actually looking away. So this is the first time, like I said, that I'm using this. I'm gonna give this a couple of days, and then you're supposed to use this like every week the first time. So I'm gonna give this a week, and I'll give you guys a heads up and let you know how it works. Disregard that birthmark that's been there for a very long time, ever since I hit it one time and it just never went away. So that's what that is. But yeah, this is my first impression. So I'll take a pause here and I'll give you guys my full review once I'm done. All right, guys, welcome back. So as you can see, it was like a super simple process. What's crazy is I never thought about doing a hair removal treatment at home myself. I guess I'm old school, so I've been shaving my legs this whole time, giving myself the torture. But like I said, I usually do this as extra time away in the shower. But if I can do this, as you can see, it's really simple. As I showed you, I did one whole leg. That only took about a couple minutes. So if I can do that on a weekly basis and not have to shave after 12 weeks, that's freaking crazy. That is crazy. So I'm definitely gonna give you guys a heads up after week 12, just so that you can have a full update on how this worked for me. But I'm definitely gonna be using this. My daughter was actually excited. She's gonna be using it. She actually hates shaving. I don't mind it. Maybe because I've been doing it for so many years, it's okay for me, but she is just 19. So she's like, I hate this process. How have you been doing this your whole life? Exactly. So hopefully this works for you guys too. If you've ever tried any IPL hair removal before, let me know how it's worked for you. Like I said, it's only been a couple weeks for me, and I love it because it's super simple. So yeah, definitely gonna give you guys a heads up after 12 weeks, so we can just come back and give a real full update as to how it has worked for me, and if my hair actually looks like this after the 12 weeks. So that's what I'm super excited about to share. So we'll be back in 12 weeks, but with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss that update in any video. But you guys enjoy the day, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.